Bonjour. From the Persian man.
What? We are in.
We've made it to Toronto.
No, we didn't.
Okay, I don't know why I just said that. We've made it to Thunder Bay.
Thunder Bay.
And we're trying the iconic Persian.
Not sure what it is.
It's like a cinnamon roll.
That's good. Mm-hmm. All right, yeah.
No food coloring. The color comes from the jam.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It's got a raspberry taste to it.
Everyone
Really
uses it raspberry or strawberry.
I like them a lot.
Mm.
I'd get this in a heartbeat.
Mm-hmm.
Really soft. Do they do like maple ones?
No.
No.
Persian's only pink.
This is a must.
So the Persian man is the original.
Move on to another bakery, but they're on vacation till August.
How long can the season be here? Okay.
I guess they have brutal winters.
Danny, Sandy, and Joe Nucci are the owners of this place. And they say that a Persian is similar to a cinnamon bun, but a lot richer. There's eggs in it. The dough is sheeted, and then cinnamon is placed on the sheet of dough. And then
Yeah, I taste the
you
cinnamon now.
roll it, and it gets cut into pieces.
Look at.
Oh, so this is...
See?
Oh, wow.
Ah, I like this. Very soft. I like this a lot.
And the pink color comes from the jam. There's no coloring added whatsoever. And
I don't know about that. I'll get that.
the
I'm
iconic
getting that tomorrow.
butter tart.
This is via Beth.
Okay, hold up both so the picture's good. I don't know what that means. I like our faces. Good one.
I like her faces. Is that good? Cass said thank her.
I'll wait till you take a bite. Mm-hmm.
There's dates in it.
That's what I thought. It's really good. The top is like a
That's good.
caramelized sugar. It's
Oh,
just
we're
like a
gonna be there.
regular yellow pie crust, and then like caramelized sugar on the top, and then it kind of reminded me of dates and walnuts in the middle,
That's
but I'm not
good.
really sure.
That's good. I eat that. I'm telling you, our sugar levels are going to be through the roof.
Yeah, because it's my favorite looking food in this entire province. It's very chewy on the inside. I like that. Now, we did not want to get the butter tart from the Persian man. We wanted to get the butter tart from Holland Bakery, but they're closed, like Susan said. But there's a lot of bakeries in Thunder Bay.
But I like just like two things.
No, it's raisins. There's raisins in there.
Is there? I want another one in a different way.
Yes, raisins.
I'm telling you.
Interesting.
Hi.
Hi there.
They're good, eh?
Yeah.
It's my first one.
Is it? You like it?
What else should we try in Thunder Bay? We do little food reviews.
The pizza at Tomlin Subdivision is really good.
Okay.
Yeah, really good. They should be, I think they'll be open today or maybe tomorrow. But it's like a deep, not a deep dish, but I think it's like maybe Detroit stuff.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
They make the dough like over like a couple days kind of thing.
All right.
And they really good.
At Tomlin Subdivision.
Tomlin Subdivision.
Okay.
Tomlin is like a group of really nice restaurants.
Okay, I saw
They're very good.
I saw Tomlin online, but I thought it was just one place, not a group of places.
There's subdivision, but it's like you can, I think, I usually find on Instagram, subdivision.
Okay.
Yeah, the group.
Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy.
Awesome.
Thanks, have a good day.
This is going to send me into a coma.
All right.
You think you have an accent? Holy cow.
This is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Persians, thumbs up. Butter tarts, about.
We got to get another one. I did it. I just don't know what was in it. It's usually maple syrup and butter.
I think the raisins threw us.
Yeah, I don't like raisins.
Persians.
I do like raisins, but I really don't like raisins. I wonder if they got a maple version.
Hey, your hair looks really cute.
Thank you.